Hey everyone, it's Orly from Imagine Web Design. I'm going to show you how you can add this border on the summary blocks with a simple CSS trick. So let me jump in. So here am I in my Squarespace editor, just to show you what this block is, just in case you're not sure. So it is called, let me double click on here. Okay, that's the summary block, and the design I had selected is the carousel. So that's what is going to apply to. And you have the option to select different types of, summary looks. I'm going to keep the carousel because that's where I want to apply the code. Click done. All right, now in order to add the code, let me click on design, custom CSS. Okay, so here let me add the code. So that's the name of the block. You just add brackets. All right, so let's add a border of, let's put 1 pixel solid, and I want the color black. So here you can see it added the border around all of the images, but I would like to add some padding to this. So let's add some padding, and I believe I used 10 pixels in the example I gave you before. Padding 10 pixels. Okay, it's not working because I forgot one. Oops. I forgot this piece of code right here, and there you go. So here you can see the border around the images. So it gives a frame look. Obviously, you can change the padding size if you want it to be, if you want more padding, just change that. 20, for example. If you want the border to be thicker, feel free to increase this side 2 pixels. It's not going to change much, but it added a little bit more sort of bolder. Or 5, for example, right here. And then let me just save this mobile preview just so you can see how it looks on mobile. And that's it. And then let me go back to 1 pixel. There you go. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful. Don't hesitate to subscribe and visit my website if you want to see more content. Have a great one. Bye.